Take a breath in with me through your nose. Please hold it. And now let it out with a sigh through your mouth. Rest one or both hands over your heart. And please take a moment to feel your heart beating, steady, faithful, doing its quiet work without ever being asked. There's a voice in many of us that never stops correcting. Not good enough. Try harder. You should have known better. The inner editor, always red pen in hand. That voice often started as a way to keep you safe, to help you get it right, stay accepted, avoid a repeated mistake. It's not your enemy, but it can exhaust you. So today, just for a moment, set down the red pen. You don't need to fix yourself right now. You don't need to be edited. You are not a rough draft. What if you spoke to yourself the way you'd speak to someone you love? You are doing your best. You're allowed to be human. And how about, I am so proud of you. Take a breath in and let all of those words be true and hold them, letting them fill your heart and radiate through your whole body. And exhale with relief that the red pen is down, even if only for a few moments. The correcting can wait. The kindness is what you need. I'm sending you so much love.